How to fix QR code not working in iPhone issues. So normally whenever you actually open up the camera app and then you place any QR code right underneath it, it is supposed to scan it automatically, but sometimes it might not be scanning due to a couple of reasons. Now in order to actually solve this, you can simply open up the settings app on your iPhone. Then once you launch the settings app, from here what you want to do is you want to simply go to this option called camera. Then you want to make sure that this option that says scan QR codes is actually enabled. So when this is turned off, the QR code will not get scanned from the camera app, so you have to use a separate app. But you can simply turn on scan QR codes to automatically locate the QR code and then basically scan them. So I hope that this video helps you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.